Today we're looking at this sleek and sexy looking case from Techware. It comes with 4 aRGB fans, it's dual chambered, you've got 2 glass panels on it as well, and did I say, it looks pretty nice. The Tecware VXl EVO is a dual-chamber ATX case designed for optimal airflow and easy cable management. It features tempered glass side and front panels with toolless removal. Also, it includes 4 120mm aRGB fans, 3 on the side and 1 on the rear. The case accommodates up to 360mm radiators, 390mm GPUs and 160mm CPU coolers, with USB 3.0 ports and ample storage options. It's ideal for high-performance builds, ensuring both style and functionality. The packaging is straightforward. It's a brown box featuring basic information and a QR code for the manual. The case is well protected with foam ends, and inside the case you'll find a box containing screws, plastic cable ties and Velcro cable ties. One side of the case has a large tempered glass panel with a black border, secured with a thumb screw. The opposite side is a ventilated metal panel for side fans and the power supply. However, dust filters are notably absent from these main ventilation areas. The front glass panel also has a black border and is removable via an interior thumb screw. One thing to note, if you're installing a water cooler, it might make it difficult to reattach this screw, so attach the glass first before the water cooler. The back of the case is pretty standard with 7 expansion slots and a pre-installed aRGB fan. The top features a magnetic dust filter, 2 USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, power and reset buttons and an aRGB settings button. Notably, there is no USB Type-C header on the case. The bottom of the case has large feet with anti-slip material and a magnetic dust filter. Unfortunately, removing the filter requires turning the case upside down, which is quite inconvenient. Installing fans on the bottom may require uninstalling the feet, which is a challenge due to the internal screw design. Inside there's plenty of room for cable management with multiple routing holes around the motherboard tray. The 3 fans next to the motherboard tray are 120mm aRGB fans with reversed blades for aesthetics. The aRGB lighting is controlled by a button on the top of the case, with 1 extra header for additional devices. You can also connect up the aRGB fans to another controller or your motherboard if you wish. The aRGB lighting is limited to the included fans. There are no lights on the actual case itself, and you can control all that with the aRGB button on the top of the case or your controller via your motherboard. If you are planning on adding a lot more aRGB devices like more fans, a liquid cooler or strips, you would probably need to go out and buy an aftermarket hub. At normal operating levels, the fan noise is minimal and hard to hear. When running at full speed, the fans do become a lot louder. Noise level and airflow efficiency will obviously vary depending on your components and the number of fans added. In our testing setup with a total of 9 fans including the liquid cooler, the airflow was very efficient but was very loud when full on. In summary, the Tecware VXl EVO is a stylish and functional dual-chamber ATX case. It excels in design and ease of cable management, with sufficient room for high-performance components. Its overall performance and aesthetic appeal make it a solid choice for gamers and professionals alike.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did.
why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.